All right, good morning. Today is Monday, December 12th, 2022. Next week, Tuesday, is our final capital markets update and outlook call for 2022. As you know, every single month, we put together a more formal presentation on the positives that are happening out there in the economy and the markets. We go through the headwinds and the negatives, and we try to put it all together into an outlook or what we think it all means for the future and what is to come. You now have the ability to watch these messages right on your favorite platform, whether it be on Facebook, on LinkedIn, or YouTube. You can also just watch directly on our website, investwithccg.com. If you go to our website now, you can find the links to each platform down there at the bottom. So if your favorite platform is Facebook, click on that link. If it's LinkedIn, you can click down on that button, or if it's YouTube down here. And this is going to be an important call as we look ahead to 2023. So I encourage you to head over to our website as soon as we're done here with this video today and click on one of those links, and you can set yourself a reminder for next week. The call is going to be on Tuesday. That was December 20th, and that's going to be at 11 a.m. Tomorrow, the latest CPI report is scheduled to be released, the big inflation report. And then on Wednesday, the day after tomorrow, the Fed is scheduled to announce their next interest rate decision. And of course, they'll host a news conference later on that day. So we've seen how much inflation and the Fed have influenced the markets. So this is going to be an important week. And we look forward to making sense out of all of it next week, again, at our final capital markets update and outlook call for 2022. So we hope to see you on that call. With that, I'm going to go ahead and play today's intro, and then we'll take a closer look at what happened in the markets last week. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. Recession fears and concerns that the Fed may consider a longer rate hike cycle sent stocks lower for the week. The Dow Jones Industrials Average dropped 2.77%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 fell 3.37%. The NASDAQ Composite Index lost 3.99% for the week, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, dipped 1.09%. Stocks were under pressure much of the week due to resurgent recession fears and concerns that Fed rate hikes may go higher for longer than current expectations. There was some good news last week on the economic front and out of China, which started to loosen COVID restrictions. But it was a week where good news was considered bad news, as any signs of economic resilience stoked worries of a longer rate hike cycle. Higher continuing jobless claims signaled economic softness, triggering a Thursday rally. But stock prices were under pressure Friday following a disappointing producer price index number. The Labor Department reported that the PPI, the Producer Price Index, the PPI rose 0.3% in November and 7.4% from a year ago. Though wholesale prices inflation rose at the slowest 12-month pace since May of 2021, they exceeded market expectations. Price pressures were felt most in the services sector, where costs rose 0.4% after a 0.1% increase the month before. Goods inflation eased to a rise of 0.1%, a sharp drop from its October gain of 0.6%. Though the PPI number dented the optimism around cooling inflation, November's PPI report represented an improvement from its 11.7% peak in March. As always, we will keep our finger on the pulse of what's happening and will automatically make changes in your managed accounts as we feel are in your best interest. If we are not investing your life savings for you, I invite you to learn about our personalized approach at smartmixportfolios.com. All right, that is it for this week's summary. Thank you for staying until the end today. I've got another riddle for you. Remember, if you're the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook or on LinkedIn, so you got to go to Facebook or LinkedIn to comment below the video. If you get it, if you're the first one to post the correct answer, then we will send you a gift card for coffee on us. All right, so today's riddle is: what item binds two people yet touches only one? Again, be the first person to put the correct answer down below this video on either Facebook or on LinkedIn, and we'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. If you'd like the answer to previous week's riddles, you can find those out at investwithccg.com/riddles. And we've got a growing library of riddles and answers right there. And then lastly, later on today, I will be sending out our full economic update. If you're not getting this email and you would like it, you may subscribe to that email at our website, of course, investwithccg.com. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.